All right, this is the Extrude Hone 8.6 Vector Series Abrasive Flow Deburring, Polishing, and Honing Machine with a chiller, which is optional and can be utilized or it could be set aside.
Taken away, yeah, sure can.
Serial number of this machine is R960943, built 1997.
Yeah, this one's sitting right up on top of the machine, mounted straight down, like you said, so you can kind of see what's left inside there. You can see the ribbing of the chiller, even though I got some media sitting on there, but you can see it. In fact, while we're at it, you can look at the condition. I'll fire it up. We can unclamp it too and show the condition of the cylinders. You want to see a little bit around first? Show up the front end. Yeah, here's the downstairs. Just a quick look, and it's a pretty clean machine and pretty much standard 8.6 Extrude Hone Vector. As you say, chiller's off to the left. I just got a tooling plate here just to create back pressure to run a cycle with that I've got programmed in there. Coming around, this is the cylinder which I don't have hooked up right now, but it's got its own switch gear on here. The machine is running 480 volts, so this is all right. Backside is rested free. I'm hooked up for it as you come along here. Book sling right up on top here, machine manuals. We can open up the back door here. Light runs in this one, so you kind of show things through the light pops on there. Again, just standard manifold, Vickers manifold, cylinder. All looks good in there. Close that up. Continue on through here, and hydraulic system, of course. Watch yourself. Got my temporary air and power lines coming in. As I said, it's 480 volts. We turn it on, maybe open it up a little bit, and start the hydraulics. I just got a 4-cycle program in here for 170 cubic inches per cycle, and even though we don't have the chiller hooked up, this guy still works, so it's 58 degrees in there. If I unclamp it a little bit, you probably get the camera up in there. The cylinders look really nice. Let me open up here. As it goes up, you can't see nothing down there. It's all up here. Go up inside the cylinder here. I'm raising it, and I'll show the light up in there for a second. It's pretty high. You just kind of look at it. I can just kind of hold it, but yeah, looks nice in there. Cylinders are in great condition. And that's about it. So all I've got after that is throw a tooling plate on there, and kind of works. We'll come on down, we'll clamp up, and I've got the hydraulic pressure or media pressure set right around 600 here, I guess, 600 or 700. And clamping pressure is around 17 or 1800 whenever I hit it. That's strictly by the air regulator. I think most people run right around 2,000 psi, but we're not pushing it real hard. So coming down, and as soon as I hit it, you kind of watch that. As soon as the hydraulic brings it up to about 1,000, then you'll hear the air booster kick in. As soon as I go another 1/4 inch here, watch this. So you see the gauge going up. So. And it's happy enough to make this light come on. Once you got this light come on, that lets you know that you now flip it over to an auto cycle. And bottom cylinder will take off, which is what I'm going to do now. And at some point when it creates enough back pressure, it should start counting. Advancing the bottom, the lights let you know which one is going where. And it's counting. Media pressure to around, it said 600-700 over here. You can kind of see it. And only when the bottom's going up, I think we hit it. grazing now. I got some air pockets in there, another 2 more seconds, there we go, almost there. And then it releases, and it's going down now. 2 cycles done, 2 more to go. Up on the last cycle. Now they'll both retract top and retract bottom, and the alarm would be on right now. They've got it off. Go back to manual. That's basically 4 cycles, which would be like 1,360 cubic inches. We unclamp. Bring it on up, and pretty much.
Go ahead.
A little bit, yeah, then we should take this off. And yes, basically there's my plate, tooling plate. There's advanced to bottom. It's pretty much what we're pushing through here, so it's not very aggressive. Just happened to be in there, so I used it. Take it back in there. Run all this down, and eventually put the rest of this stuff up on top and let it all drain back down there, and we're good to go for the next run. So that's pretty much it. Let that sit there. And hydraulics off. Maybe take it up a little bit higher here.